should let Lena go first. Let's go. Like you hit and run. Who took it home tonight, Rwanda? Was it Rwanda? Was it Uganda? Was it Uganda? Okay, wait. Huh? Was it her? Or was it her? Give it up for Uganda! Thank you so much, my ladies. Thank you so much for rocking out with me. Thank you, take a selfie. Okay, go. I'm here to enjoy myself with you guys tonight. Are you guys enjoying yourselves with me? I got a surprise for y'all. Let's go and roll on the man.
Rwanda, we have a surprise for you. Hey! Uganda! Oh! Ole! Automaticamente amor. Onde? Vamos acertar. Mi amor. Ora fidel. Ora DJ Fire. Hold on.
Yeah.
DJ Fire, hold on. I want you to listen to this.
Okay.
Mi amor. Tu buona fidel. Mi amor, senti che ti hanno. E così sei.
Give it up for this data, y'all.
What you know, DJ? You know.
Big up, big up, big up, big up. So, we have somebody else we want to turn about. Don't it, Firestar?
We got somebody else we gotta bring up outside.
Can we have Joshua Baraka on the stage? Joshua! Put up, put up, put up, put up, put up, put up!
What about the end of this song?
Yeah. Whoa, whoa. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Just touch the intimate vibe. Fine, she wanna take a photo. Wanna get the bird in the city. Mr. DJ, wait, it's a boy. Let me hear you say, braka, braka. You ready now? Yeah. Everybody, let me see you turn up.
Hands up! Hands up! Hands up!
Hey, fire. Braka, braka, yeah, yeah. Hey, just touch the Morocco. Intimate vibe with the locals. Fine girl, so she wanna take a photo. Wanna get the bird with the city, the toto. Living life like a dance for the lotto. Out of space with my G's and solos. Living life, baby, that's the motto. The back of my ring, really rock it up solo. Yeah, sure. Kuna Matata, still a Mrs. Swap. You wanna make a bet, better put it on yourself. Protect your heart, baby, put it in yourself. Keep good memories, put them in a frame. Why you say, oh, my friends, babe. I wanna see them every 10 days. That's my back, you did not get. Oh, my dear, what the please, okay, what is up? Everybody, ready, dollar sign, dollar sign, dollar sign, dollar sign. I don't wanna see another white, yellow, white, yellow, white, yellow, man. Yeah, sorry, buddy. Sorry, lady. You are not meant to be. You just found me fine. Yeah, I did not yellow, white, yellow, white, yellow, white, yellow, man. Yeah, yeah, yellow, then over. All our friends over. Round 16 and it's not last to over. Shout out to the earth, never hit back my door. Shout out to my girl, never let back my folder. They take it over. Many girls are top and I just said roll over. But I didn't need you, now I'm going to yo! Hey, hey! Hakuna Matata, still a Mrs. Swap. You wanna make a bet, better put it on yourself. Protect your heart, baby, put it in yourself. Keep good memories, put them in a ring. Why you say, oh, my friends, yeah, I wanna see them in. Hey, I'm my back, you did not get. Oh, my dear, what a piece of life. Okay, everybody want the dollar sign, dollar sign, dollar sign, dollar sign. I just wanna see a gala wine, gala wine, gala wine, gala wine. Yeah, sorry for me, sorry baby, we were not meant to be. You just found me money, and I love you to the gala wine, gala wine, gala wine. Yeah man, let me use that braka, braka.
Thank you so much, Joshua. Thank you for killing it with me. Give it up for Joshua, guys.
Make some noise. Let me hear you say braka, braka.
Where my Sherry Silver Foundation boys at? Are you ready to turn it up a notch again, Kigali? Kigali, are you ready to turn the fuck up tonight? Cause we still ain't finished right now on this stage. I came to give you guys a show now. Rwanda! Drop that shit.
Yeah. Are you dealing with it? Are you? Everybody put your hands on your face. Ready now, guys. Just. Ready, ready.
Please just wine, shake it to the max. Make some nice Rhonda. Can you put your phone lights up in the air for me, please?
Ken Garley, I need to see all phone lights in the air. If you look sincere, I need to see everybody put every phone light in the air. If you look sincere, let me hear you say, yeah, yeah.
I love you guys too so much. Thank you guys for rocking out with me tonight. I really want to come back and come perform again for you guys. Tonight we did 1 hour, I need to come back and do 2 hours, yeah?
Yeah.
But you see, because you guys came out here, I really wish you a safe travel back home tonight. Because if you are happy to be alive in 2026, put your lights up in the air for me, please. If you give God all the glory, say, I am blessed. If you are happy to see 2026,